Do you guys remember our old chewing friend? Check out videos on my channel if you don't. That is crazy face bank that literally eats coins and acts like it's alive. Just to remind you all the crazy stuff I've done to it, like cut it, smash it with a sledgehammer, test it with a bad trap, put it in a microwave, liquid nitrogen, and dropped a kettlebell on it. Not crazy enough? What about launching it to the space? Or feeding with the firecrackers or slime? And always, after all the stuff I've done to that, it is coming back. But holy, that guy on the road roller from the last video, I just couldn't fall asleep last night. So guys, here I am again, begging this guy to help me.
Hey Timon, what game we gonna play today? I hope I will stay unbroken, not like the all last times.
Oh well, the game is simple. You just staying here and watching. That's it.
Hey Timon, can you feed me with some coins? I feel this is my last minutes.
Come on, just stop being afraid. I've done the same with slime and nothing left, and nothing happened to that.
Well, if so, I'm in. Just turn me away from it. Holy sh! I'm out!
Aw, come on, dude, be brave. Let's do another try. But I will turn you other side.
Put some scary music on. I'm alive.
Oh, just look at this. This guy is really indestructible. Okay, really last try. Do you think it will jump away again? Well, if so, I will let it free. Really, promise you. But let's do that without this metal thing. I think it's extra. Oh man, just look at this poor thing. What is that? Tears? Looks like it's crying. Let's take it to the studio anyway. Well, I fixed that so many times after all the things I've done to it. So we'll try to do that again. Want more videos with the face bank? Like this video so I see you are really interested. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.
Like and subscribe. Hear that?